day, children of God were not away. Mama smiles, Daddy cries. Miracle before their eyes. They protect us till we're of age. Through it all, love remains. Boy moves on, takes a bride. She stands faithful by his side. Tears and sweat, they build a home, raise a family all their own. They share joy and they share pain. Through it all, love remains. Kingdoms come and go, but they don't last. Before you know, the future is the past. In spite of what's been lost and what's been gained, we are living proof that love remains. Congratulations, Ate Norma and Kuya Nico, for today's wedding day, May 28, 2024. Sayang wala ko dyan. I'm so sorry na hindi ako nakapunta. How I wished. I don't know, baby, what I do. Won't deserve without you. We all live, we all die, but the end's not goodbye. The sun comes up, the seasons change. Through it all, love remains. Time to turn off burning flame. Helps the leaves on and love remains. Nalulungkot ako na wala ako dyan, pero God bless. Thank you so much for listening. Congratulations again. I can't remember when you were dear, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we miss. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. The years will never let me down. Turn my life around. The sweetest names I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'll always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nakakamiss ko lang tayo lahat dyan. Mga kapatid, mga kanahan, namiss ko lang itong wedding na to. Kaya ako'y kumakanta for you guys. Let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay,